GPT-3 is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI, and one of its most impressive features is its massive scale. The model has 175 billion parameters, significantly increasing over its predecessor, GPT-2, which had 1.5 billion parameters. In technical terms, a parameter is a numerical value learned by a neural network during training. These parameters define the network's internal structure and allow it to predict new inputs. The large number of parameters in GPT-3 allows the model to capture vast information and generate more nuanced and sophisticated outputs. For example, GPT-3 can generate coherent paragraphs of text, complete sentences, and answer questions with high accuracy. It can perform various language-related tasks, including machine translation, summarization, and sentiment analysis. Despite its impressive performance, there are some limitations to the model. One of the biggest challenges of working with GPT-3 is that it requires significant computational resources. Additionally, some researchers have raised concerns about the model's potential biases and ethical implications, as well as the potential for misuse in areas such as misinformation and deepfakes. Overall, the development of GPT-3 represents a significant breakthrough in the field of natural language processing and has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with and process